Hello friends, this is Mr. Rahul Hunkadas, Assistant Professor and Workshop Superintendent from NB Nole Singhad College of Engineering, Solapur. I am having total experience of 12 years and my specialization in Mechanical Design Engineering. Now, today we are going to discuss about the next variety of problem in the chapter of Testing and Performance of an IC engine. In the last few videos we have already discussed about the different variety of problems. Now this will be the next variety. Now see the statement of the problem. Find the air fuel ratio of a 4-stroke single cylinder air cooled engine with fuel consumption time for 10,000 cc is 20.4 second and air consumption time for 0.1 meter cube is 16.3 second. The load is 17 kg at the speed of 3000 rpm. Find brake specific fuel consumption, that is BSFC, in gram per kilowatt hour. See, this is important, gram per kilowatt hour, and brake thermal efficiency. Assume the density of air as 1.175 kg per meter cube and density of fuel to be 0.7 kg per meter cube. The lower heating value of fuel is 43 megajoule per kg and the dynamometer constant is 5000, and one relation is given to us, that is P is equal to W into N divided by 5000 kilowatt. Now this is another special type of problem. Now we have to use some different methodology to solve such kind of a problem. See the solution. Now while writing the given data, we can write n is equal to 1, that is the standard value. Number of cylinder in this problem is 1. The standard value of K for 4-stroke engine is 1 by 2. The volumetric then the fuel volumetric efficiency of fuel, or the volume of a fuel which is given in the problem, that is 10,000 centimeter cube converted into meter, that is multiplied by 10 to minus 6. Then the time for fuel consumption is equal to 20.4 second. Then the time of air consumption is 16.3 seconds. Then volume of air consumption is equal to 0.1 meter cube. W is given, that is a load is given 17 kg. Then density of fuel is 0.7 kg per meter cube. Density of air is equal to 1.175 kg per meter cube. Then RPM, engine RPM, that is N is equal to 3000 RPM. Calorific value of fuel is given 43 megajoule per kg converted into kilojoule, that is multiplied by 10 to 3, that is 43,000 kilojoule per kg. Now to solve such kind of problem, we have to calculate first air consumption. We have the simple formula of air consumption by relation volume per unit time into density of air. Put the values and we can get the answer. Air consumption is equal to 0.0072 kg per second. The second step in this problem, that is a calculation of fuel consumption. In this case we can calculate the volume divided by time into density of fuel, put the value and get the answer. We can get the answer is 0.000348 kg per second. Then we can directly calculate the air fuel ratio in the step number 3, air consumption divided by fuel consumption. So put the values and we can get the answer 20.69 as to 1. Near about 21.1 percentage is the air fuel ratio. So in this problem one relation is given, that is P is equal to W into N divided by 5000 kilowatt. This is one kind of a what we can say power which is given in this relation. So we can get the answer of P. Put all the values. The W value is given, that is a 17 into 3000, that is a RPM divided by 5000. Then we can get the answer of P is 10.2 kilowatt. Then the finally we have to calculate the brake specific fuel consumption. We have to calculate the BSFC with the help of the formula fuel consumption in gram per hour divided by the power output. Then the fuel consumption value we have to calculate in terms of gram per hour. So put the values, the calculated value is 0.000348 to convert this value in gram per hour. So multiplied by 1000 into 3600 divided by 10.2. So we can get the answer of BSFC in 122.82 gram per kilowatt hour. And the next value is brake thermal efficiency. Again, we have the formula brake power divided by mass of fuel into calorific value. Put all the values over here and get the value of brake thermal efficiency is 68.16. So here we completed the solution of this problem. I think we have already seen the different varieties of problem in the chapter of testing and performance of IC engines. Thank you.